Good day, my people. This is Divine Space Resources, the Tuko Farm Extension. I want to show you this amazing culture, black soldier fly. This very batch is a wonderful one. This is just 11 days old, and they are very big. I mean very big, with a significant. We have about 16 bucket here. Let me bring another bucket. Bring that one. Are very wonderful. Bring that one closer. Bring that one closer. Bring it closer. They are very wonderful creatures. Out of all our experiments, we've never seen this kind of result. This result is massive. This is massive. How many days? 11 days. 11 days to shock ourselves. Pre-pooper have been coming out of it. Come and give me the pre-pooper. See. 11 days exercise. Pre-pooper is coming from it. Pre-pooper, see our bucket. They have been moving out from their substrate. They have been moving out from their substrate, coming out as pre-pooper. Pre-pooper. Duro. My baby, what was it? Yeah. See, pre-pooper have been coming out 11 days old. This type of pre-pooper is very massive, very big. 11 days old, coming out with pre-pooper. 11 days old, coming out with pre-pooper. This is Divine Space Resources. Like I normally say, you need to get yourself trained. All glory be to God. See, inside it, we have seen pre-pooper at 11 days. All glory be to God, our Creator, that made everything possible, and God sent our mentor to us, Adetunji Adetuberu. Adetuberu is our mentor. You need to get trained. As much as you like to watch videos, get yourself trained. Today, we can engage someone in training and engage in sales of this to farmers. You can engage of this into co-person that want to start their colony with the help of our mentor, Tuko Farm. So Tuko Farm, once again, great work there. Keep it going. A lot of us, your children, we are coming at your back. Keep upholding us. Keep doing the good work. God bless you. You can contact us on our display numbers on how to get you started. On our Gmail account, on our Facebook account, on the screen, everything will be displayed on the screen. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube, where we'll be giving you more and more information on a daily basis. See, the way I just tried to show us, we are still returning those pooper back there. That is a blue container. Back to our black container that we harvest previous day. This one are 6 days old. This is 6 days old. See them too. They are doing wonderfully. See them. They are doing wonderfully. This one is 6 days old. It's massive. It's a great result. I want to ask people, that God bless our hand, that there is no much something doing in our hand these days. You can engage yourself in this business. People are out there that look for this wonderful opportunity that can buy from you. It's not necessary that you stock it with a fish, or you don't necessarily having it with animal eating it. You can sell directly. You can sell directly to the fish farmer. You can sell directly to the poultry farmer, and money will start spinning to your hand. how much you can make per day. As long as people discover that you are producing it, they will pay in numbers. Who are the type that will engage in this business? We have our youth that are still believing God for one thing or the other to do. We have our retirees, those that have retired, that in their home, that is looking for one thing or the other that will be making money for them. You can practically engage yourself. This about 6 days old is ready to sell for those that are having small fish. So money will just be coming to your hand, and people will still be depositing for you. This wonderful creature costs nothing. It is reduce the cost of feeding of those in animal husbandry. You can engage yourself, help them to reduce their cost of feeding their animal, and the money is coming down to you. The retirees, those our oga at the top, what do they eat? They eat remnants, weights. You can, let me tell you how many people around you that can get this thing for you on a daily basis as a free gift. Those Awusas, those Malams selling watermelon, cucumber, garbage, get to carrot, get to Eleyele, get to OJ market. Most of them are taking it around with a wheelbarrow. Beckon on them to give you their waste per day, cost nothing. Where they are selling fruit, any fruit of any nature, you see. These are the fruits that we packed in our last time. Maggot is coming out from there. So food, poultry waste. We have poultry waste. We have cow poo, cow dump. We have a pig waste. Any animal waste is good for them. This is our newly hatched. This is our newly hatched. This one should be day 4 or day 3 now from hatchling. Did you see them? Did you see them? This business costs nothing. Okay. Costs nothing to produce.
Passion.
Just passion. And you see money rolling into your hand. This is newly hatched. By God's grace, through the help of God and through the help of our mentor, through the help of God and through the help of our mentor, we have been rolling 1 bucket load of pre-pooper and pooper out per day now, which is barely cost you to sell. You sell to farmer making your kumbe that was no that only in daddy what for daddy no was cost you nothing. Selling to farmer, you sell at 3,000 naira, but selling to person that wants you want to transform it, you sell per gram, you sell per grams, you sell per quantity. If you have a pre-pooper, thank you. Get back to our YouTube channel, get back to our WhatsApp, and give yourself more information. Thank you. God bless you. I remain your host, Oladeji Olatunji, Divine Space Resources, through the help of our master, Chukofa. Thank you.